I pay my humble tribute and homage to this great leader and the lotus feet of Acharya Srimad Swami Pranavananda Ji Maharaj, the great founder of Bharat Sevashram Sangha. Students, you have been waiting for a long year to represent your skills, and you have been preparing yourself for around a month beside your study. Sports and games, beside your academic studies, is very essential for your overall upbringing. Our founder of this Bharat Sevashram Sangha, Acharya Srimad, I would like to request and appeal to our parents and guardians to take necessary steps to inspire your children's heart and going all out to see that your child is living a comfortable life. So inspire your children to withstand the hardships, the problems that is lying ahead, that is invisible. And we want to see our children, our students, to establish in their life by facing all the challenges. I congratulate you on this occasion to participate.
Shayantan Shamal, Sushanta Mukherjee, Aditya Shomandal, Soham Chaudhary, Anik Kumar Garai, Argho Kabiraj, Sarthak Manna, Saurabh De, Kuntal Shomandal, Ayan Mukherjee, Anik Sen, Shubhrajyoti Mandal, and Ranit Nashkar. These are the participants for 50 meters flat race for boys. Nursery boys. Nursery boys flat race has started. Yes. The tiny tots, they already started. Okay. Our judges already received the position holders. I'm just waiting to receive the names.
Honorable Rector Sujian Prasad, honorable members of our managing committee, respected Vice Principal Madam, respected parents. This day, 23rd January, is meaningful, and meaningfully our sports day is organized on this day every year. He formed Jhansi Rani Bahini to free India from British imperialism. His courage, his leadership, even Lord Mountbatten was scared of, and he could foresee the power that Netaji was acquiring.
I sit straight.
His growing power, his growing popularity, his growing love for the country, and his growing commitment to free
I sit
India.
straight.
On this very
Last boy.
day of his birthday,
Hey.
I pay my humble tribute to these great leaders, this great patriot. তোমার আসন শূন্য আজি হেবি পূর্ণ করো ওই যে দেখি বসুন্ধরা কাঁপলো থর
Sit straight, greenhouse.
বাজলো সূর্য আকাশ পথে সূর্য আসেন অগ্নি রথে
Look this side.
হাতে দক্ষিণ হাতে বিজয় খড়গ ধরো তোমার আসন শূন্য আজি হেবির পূর্ণ করো হেবির পূর্ণ করো Whether Netaji will reincarnate, reborn or not,
এদিকে দাঁড়াও, সুরঞ্জন এদিকে দাঁড়াও।
but his great character, his great chivalry, his great love, his great patriotism for his motherland, his commitment for the motherland,
I
is
sit
a
straight,
great
sit straight.
inspirational
Sit
force
straight.
to all of you, dear children. Convey my best wishes and let this flame of sports keep on burning within you. The spirits of sports must be realized in the sports field. I convey my heartiest wishes. May Acharya Swami Pranavananda Maharaj bless you all. Thank you.
The day for two occasions, that is to remember the Subhash Chandra Bose on his birthday. And to all, that whatever quality and good things was there in our Subhash Chandra Bose. We must imbibe all those things in us, and above all, we must show our patriotism to our country. If we can do that, then all other things will be taken care of. So just celebrating the birthday is not enough. Rather, we have to follow the path.
Second position, Spandan Lohar. Guardians, please cheer up the participants. Acha, okay. The first position, the name is, I misspelled. It is Shusnato Mukherjee. What a beautiful name. Shusnato Mukherjee. And the third position, it is Shayantan Shamal. Shayantan Shamal. Third position, Shayantan Shamal. Nursery girls, flat race. I hope, yes. Nursery girls, flat race, 50 meters flat race. Girls, I think participants already.
Managing committee members of this school for giving me this opportunity of being here, for giving the opportunity of being associated with your institution. I shall consider that to be a great privilege for me.
Nursery girls, flat race, 50 meters about to start. The small toddlers are waiting in eager anticipation to start their running. The race, flat race has started. Children are trying their best. They are running. The tiny tots running as fast as they can and reach the finishing line. First, second, and third.
Respected guardians and my beloved students, today is the birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, a great patriot and freedom fighter of our country. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is a symbol of sacrifice to our country of Subhash Chandra Bose. Today is our annual sports meet. Games, sports, physical exercise is a part and parcel of our life. A powerful mind dwell in a healthy body, in a fit body. If we want to keep our body always fit, regularity should be maintained to all of us. Students, you must participate with a sportsmanship, mind and spirit. Everybody will not.
Thank you, sir. Even from KG and class 1 are participating in this display of gymnastics where they'll be forming pyramids and showing other physical skills that demand a lot of concentration, body fitness, flexibility, and above all, hard work that they have gone through all these days to make a display of this beautiful event. The first one, the children are doing forward roll. The first one, the children are doing forward roll. The second, the vaulting horse. The vaulting horse. Children are going above one. And this is the vaulting horse. Children are showing their talent, their extraordinary skill in this event. This is an exclusive pyramid formed by the girls. The girls are forming a pyramid. An exclusive pyramid formed by the letter M has been formed. Children are now showing another skill where they are using their legs on the stomach and showing the flexibility of their muscles and of course their physical fitness. The children are getting ready for yet another one. They are trying to form another physical fitness gymnastic, the formation of a boat, the formation of a boat. The tiny toddler on the top belongs to class 1, a small young tiny tot who dares to show such display the formation of a boat. Children will now all together form a pyramid. This is the giant pyramid, the big pyramid, where all children are taking part to form the giant pyramid. The children getting one above another to make the pyramid. Slowly but very steadily, they are up and getting ready for the pyramid, the giant pyramid. The small children, one on top of another. And the last one, again a tiny tot of class 1, a small tiny tot standing on top. This is the formation of the giant pyramid. The students display their exceptional physical skill through this pyramid and of course the hard work that they have endured through the days, stimulating themselves to the formation of such a pyramid and such physical talent, display of talent and potential that has remained hidden in our children, that has been brought out through the 50-meter star race. Boys, class KG has started. They are picking up the toy and reaching for the finishing line. Boys have reached for the finishing line. 50 meters, toy race, girls. Get ready.
Friends, we all want a contented life. Let us listen.
50
Yes, the
meters.
sports already started.
50 meters toy race started. Girls have picked up the toys almost at the finishing line. After this, we have Shobna Shirai, Priyangshu Aich, Priyangshu Paul, Udayan Bauri, Pritam Bhute, Anshuman Mandal, Mohitos De and Shobik Kolar. Boys, hurry. Yes, you can do it. Beautifully. Cheer up. Okay, they have touched the finishing line. We have already got the first, second and third winners. One is still going on. He has not given up. And he has almost reached the line. Keep up this spirit, boys. The frog race has started. The frog race has started. The girls trying to imitate the position of a frog, jumping, hopping. Look at them hopping. The last one has not given up hopping. She is still trying. Keep up this spirit. Children, cheer up your tiny sisters. Prize winners. Trying them. The prize winners, Ambesha Ghosh, KGA, Shabana Yasmin, Iptrisha Datto. Please report. Please report over here. Ambesha Ghosh, Shabana Yasmin, Iptrisha Datto. Prize winners, 50 meters toy race girls. Prize winners, 50 meters toy race boys. Shreyan Biswas, Pritam Shil, Rupak Mukherjee. Shreyan Biswas, Pritam Shil, Rupak Mukherjee. Please report here.
Third, this one. First, second, third. Second, that is second.
ট্রফি দেখা আছে কিনা?
এই টপি সব আছে এইটা ফার্স্ট, এটা সেকেন্ড, এটা থার্ড।
আদার্স ওয়েট।
Others come here, come this side.
Jaya